Hello everyone, today we are going to solve question number 1.23. A question is 1.8 kilowatt electric heater takes 15 minutes to boil a quantity of water. There is a quantity, it's a particular quantity we use to heat using the kettle which has a rated power 1.8 kilowatt, and in the question the charges of the electricity are 10 cents per kilowatt, and the question is demanding to find the cost of electric kettle for 30 days. Then here the data is power, which is 1.8 kilowatt, and time is 15 minutes. We know what is the energy. The formula of energy is P multiplied with time, means energy is the power with respect time is called energy. Here we have done the same thing. We simply multiplied 1.8 kilowatt or 1800 watt with 15 divided by 60. We are dividing 15 by 60 because the energy is in the rate of energy is in the form of kilowatt hour. Therefore we converted 15 minutes into hours in order to get the energy in the form of kilowatt hour. Therefore we get 0.45 kilowatt hour. Okay, it is the cost of a day per day. Sorry, here is a per day. Therefore we simply multiplied 0.45 kilowatt hours multiplied with 30 in order to get the whole energy, the consumption of energy for a month or for 30 days. Therefore we get 13.5 kilowatt hours per month or per 30 days. And we know the cost is 10 cents per kilowatt hour. Therefore we multiply 10 multiply with 13.5 kilowatt hour. Therefore we get 135 cents of cost of heater per 30 days. In order to get the values or price in dollars, therefore we simply divide 135 cents with 100. Therefore we get $1.35. Thanks for watching.